Mr. President, Secretary General, honourable delegates, it is my pleasure to present Australia's candidature for Category B of the IMO Council for the 2022-23 biennium. Australia is committed to this organisation and its goal of creating fair and effective standards for international commercial ships. The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in the disruption of global supply chains and highlighted the essential role of the maritime sector. The tireless efforts of seafarers, port workers, dockers and the broader maritime industry have been vital to facilitate the flow of people and essential goods such as fuel, food and medical supplies during this unprecedented time. IMO's ongoing ability to develop effective standards and guidance will play a critical role in guiding us through this pandemic. An agile and adaptable organisation will enable all countries to share the benefits of a strong international shipping sector. Australia is the world's largest bulk commodities exporter and an island continent. The sea truly connects Australia to the rest of the planet. 98% of our international trade is transported by sea. We manage 10% of the world's sea trade and have the third largest exclusive economic zone. We are proud to have led and contributed to many of the reforms achieved by the IMO. Australia has championed measures to make the IMO and its council more inclusive, transparent and efficient. As a founding member of the IMO, Australia has been a strong leader of many of the ship safety standards used internationally today. Australia is committed to fostering a safe and dynamic maritime industry internationally. Our goal is to ensure that all member states benefit from safe, green and reliable shipping services. To realise this commitment, Australia invests in a comprehensive technical cooperation program providing training and expert assistance. We are a proud contributor to the IMO Integrated Technical Cooperation Program, and we have made substantial donations to fund programs to assist small island developing states and least developed countries, and to address marine plastic litter, promote seafarer welfare and empower women in the maritime industry. Australia has a vision to strengthen and modernise IMO and ensure the interests of all member states are fairly represented. Australia supports the World Maritime University and has sponsored 20 student placements for advanced degrees in the last biennium. We're a strong advocate for digital participation at IMO meetings to ensure continued access for all member states through these difficult times of COVID-19 and beyond. These technologies will help developing and remote nations, particularly small island developing states, to participate in key IMO meetings, including the Maritime Safety Committee and Marine Environment Protection Committee. IMO makes the best decisions and the strongest stands when all member state voices are heard. Australia is proud of our achievements to date and we have much more to contribute. We are committed to work with every member state to ensure IMO Council decisions are fair, balanced and sustainable. Australia's search and rescue responsibilities extend to the remote areas of the Pacific, Indian and Southern Oceans, covering more than 10% of the Earth's surface. We collaborate closely and invest heavily in capability building programs across the region while also providing world-class search and rescue services and satellite detection to assist our neighbours through our Joint Rescue Coordination Centre and Australian Mission Control Centre. Australia is home to some of the world's largest network of marine reserves, including 12,000 islands. We are mindful of our environmental responsibilities and are committed to protect over 3.1 million square kilometres of marine environment. We are strongly engaged in the IMO work program to improve the maritime sector's efficiency, capability and reduce greenhouse gas emissions from international shipping. Australia advocates best practice standards for international shipping so that all countries can reap the benefits of a safe, vibrant, efficient shipping industry, while maintaining the integrity of shared environmental resources. We are proud to have championed reforms at IMO which will be discussed in detail this week, including the expansion and terms of council. All member states can be rightly proud of what we have collectively achieved in this biennium. It has been Australia's privilege to help bring much needed representation to our region as a member of the IMO Council. It is my pleasure to present Australia's candidature for re-election to Category B of the Council of International Maritime Organisations for the 2022-23 biennium. We would be grateful for your support and your vote this Friday so that we may serve you and work with you to improve the performance of this remarkable organisation. Thank you.